What's up, you guys? It's Mandy from Vintage Revivals. Today we are talking all about how to paint furniture. I feel like painting furniture is one of those things that pretty much everybody who is a DIYer should master, but the problem is that there are so many stinking tutorials online how to do it, and all these hacks and all these different tricks. In reality, you just need to know how to do it the right way. There are 3 things that you need to know. If you've ever painted furniture and had it feel tacky and kind of sticky and like not cured, even after years, the reason that that's happening is because you're using the wrong kind of paint. The reality of the situation is that not all paint is created equal. So the first thing you need to know is make sure that you are using the right kind of paint. Hands down, the best furniture paint that I have ever used is Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel. It's kind of a mouthful, so we're just gonna refer to it as Trim Enamel moving forward. If you're in a situation where you want to paint but you don't have a ton of equipment like a paint sprayer at your disposal, great news. All you need is a roller. If you use the wrong kind of roller, it will completely destroy your finish. You have to make sure that you're using the right kind. When you're painting furniture or something like it that has a smooth finish, you want to make sure that you are using a roller that has a short nap. Nap is the length of the fibers on the roller. So the longer the nap, the more drag it has through the paint and the more texture that it adds. If you use a short nap, you'll get a really smooth finish. When you're painting a piece of furniture, the less you touch it, the better your finish is going to be. Here's the technique. You're going to roll, 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 move on. You're done with this spot, just leave it alone. I think it's human nature to want to fiddle and just fix things, and if there's a drip, then you go back and you touch it up, and then you just keep rolling because it feels super productive. Guys, it's ruining your paint finish if you do that. Think about this. Your paint, as soon as you start rolling it on your piece and it's exposed to the air, it's starting to dry. As you're rolling it, it's drying. So you're dragging all these fibers through partially dried paint, and it just is adding texture. You need to give the paint a chance to level out, relax, and that's where your texture will disappear. Okay, so here is how you paint furniture. Start by getting your supplies. You need a drop cloth, paint tray, paintbrush, sanding sponge, stir sticks, and a roller. First thing you want to do is clean your piece really well, especially if it is a second-hand piece or it has a lot of stuff on. If your piece is like mine and it's a new IKEA piece that just has a clear, lacquer finish on it, just use an 80 grit sanding sponge. Rough it up. Just give your paint something to adhere to. If you're taking off a lot of paint, you need to make sure that you are using the proper protection, because you don't know, especially if it's secondhand, you don't know what kind of paint the previous owners have used. Once everything is all smooth and ready to go, it's time to paint. Now remember, this is how we do it. Roll, 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 leave it alone. Give your paint a chance to dry, and then you can go back with 220 grit sanding sponge, touch up where you maybe had a drip or just a little bit of texture. Now it's time to do your second coat, doing the exact same technique. Roll, 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 leave it alone. If after your second coat you need a touch up, that's okay. Just go back with your sanding sponge, 220 grit, sand it, and then touch up just that area. You don't need to redo the entire piece. It doesn't need 5 coats. If you keep messing up, you can do little touch-ups. I hope this video helps you guys see that you don't need a million different tips and tricks and hacks. You just need to use the right kind of paint, the right tool, the right technique, and to have a little bit of patience. Make sure that you guys check out the blog post on vintagerevivals.com. It has step-by-step everything that you need. Everything is linked. You are going to be a master painter. when this is all said and done. I'm so proud of you. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our fun projects, tutorials that we have coming up.